Wait a minute. Where are those transposes coming from? So check this out. In, if we calculate the ijth component of it, what is it equal to? It's e, okay, so I'm talking about the jth column, which is e sub j, right? And the ith component of that. We defined that to be Kronecker delta ij. So the components of the identity matrix are the Kronecker delta. I'll repeat that. The components of the identity matrix are the Kronecker delta. But the Kronecker delta doesn't care which is first, I or j. See, that's equal to Kronecker delta ij. So, which is, of course, in transpose ij. And getting to the point here, the identity matrix is equal to its own transpose, right? So, anyway, if you look at this matrix explicitly, I mean, you can see it easily here, right? Notice the first row in I3 is just I1 transpose. E1 transpose, right? Then you have E2 transpose here, E3 transpose there, right? So this is not, it's easy to see, actually. And so what do we have? Row 1 of A, row n of A, which also known as you guys told me a minute ago, A. So this identity matrix is kind of neat. If we multiply the identity matrix either on the left or the right of another matrix, what do we get? The same matrix back again. So the identity matrix is the analog of the number 1 for matrix multiplication. Any questions? All right. So I've covered a good chunk of what I have on the course planner at the moment. I'm sure I've missed something here or there. The outer product, so first of all, if you look at page 36, I have all of these properties of, matrix multiplication, like matrix and addition. Matrix addition is associative. Matrix addition is commutative, like A plus B is B plus A. Scalar multiplication plays nice with matrix addition. So if you look at theorem 2.3.17, you'll see that the properties of matrix addition and multiplication are very natural. They're just like what you're used to. The real bugaboo is that matrix multiplication does not commute. That's the thing you got to watch out for. And then, of course, also the thing I'm focusing on, I think, is the less familiar thing, which is that we can look at matrix multiplication in terms of these other theorems a lot of different ways, and it's helpful as a means to break down certain products. All right. So, I think I probably should let you guys have the rest of the time for your surprise attack mission, since I don't really have, I've got one other example, but you probably need time to do this. Let's make sure you have enough time. So here you go. I hope this is not too troublesome. The first problem is just like row reduction. And the second problem, I did the row reduction for you. This is open notes, by the way. You can have your notes out. It's not open friends, but it is open notes. And even if you have friends in here, you can't talk to them. But I'm just saying. So, after the quiz, sure. So the second problem should not require hardly any calculation. You pretty much should be able to just write down the answer, because I've given you the row reduction. I don't want to see you row reduce that one. Not the point. Problem 2, totally about interpretation. Do not waste your time doing row reduction there. It will not earn points. This is just about interpretation. You cannot distract me from the fact you don't know how to interpret it by doing row reduction. It will mean nothing to me. I gave you the row reduction. Now use it. So yeah.
For the first one, did we write down the answer just to reduce row
Oh, I just want you to calculate the root of. So the whole goal there is to calculate, for problem 1, the answer should be this. There's no system of equations to solve there. It's just row reduce the matrix. Yeah. Roof.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. I'll erase everything else. Yeah, there's like a few more things I should show you guys about the standard matrix. About the standard basis, but we'll do that tomorrow. And then we'll start looking at how to solve systems with matrix notation, all right? So, did I turn the camera off? I hope although I've often thought it would be fun to have another channel or sub-channel on my YouTube channel that's just students taking tests. You know? That could be interesting.